In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the stopwatch in the clock app.
Hello everyone, welcome to Adam's Apple Tech Guide YouTube channel. Hope you enjoyed the video.
First, you want to go into the clock app. Then you want to tap stopwatch. Then you can change the look of your stopwatch by swiping right or left if you want to go back. Then you can start your stopwatch by tapping start, and you can lap it by tapping lap. And you can do this as many times as you like, and you can always stop it once you've finished using the stopwatch, and you can always start it if you need to, and you can reset it as well, so go back to 0.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.